Demi here from JRP. Today we're doing the unboxing and installation of a brand new Remus exhaust for a customer's Ford Focus ST. Let's get to it. So that was the Ford Focus ST stock. Now let's see what it sounds like with a brand new Remus exhaust on. Okay guys, I'm so pumped. We just put the Remus exhaust as well as the sprint booster on the Ford Focus ST. We have it set at 9. This thing is ready to go. Let's test it out. Oh my god. Ford Focus is absolutely insane. It launches you into the seat. It has incredible power, has an incredible sound, and it will leave you with nothing but a smile on your face. Thank you for tuning in. This is your Remus exhaust and sprint booster modification to a Ford Focus ST. This is JRP. I'm Demi Chelkis. Thanks for watching.